Ever notice how some payment processors advertise low rates, but your real costs end up way higher? Hidden fees and high risk surcharges can quietly drain your supplement profits. Here's a quick way to compare your options. List each processor, note their setup, transaction, and monthly fees, and check how each handles supplement payments. Even if the rates look similar, decline risk can make a huge difference over time. Comparing processors side by side helps you see the true cost beyond just the transaction rate. Declines, rolling reserves, and hidden monthly fees can make a big difference, especially for supplement or nutraceutical businesses labeled as high risk. EasyPay Direct keeps things transparent with competitive rates, smart underwriting designed for supplement sellers, so you can process payments confidently without surprise deductions. And here is a quick FAQ insight. A nutraceutical merchant account is a high risk account built for supplement businesses. It allows you to securely accept credit and debit payments while avoiding the limitations of generic processors. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can review their rates and find the best fit for your supplement business. Before signing up with any processor, take a minute to compare. With a quick sheet and EasyPay Direct's nutraceutical friendly rates, you will know exactly what you are paying for and what you are protecting. Check the link in the description to get started today.